in this. You want to make some headlines, I really don't know. Okay, now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, shall I start?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
stayed in a small city. I made dash living. I'm waiting for your answers. Hello? Can you hear me, dear students? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answers. You received this, what I sent.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I made a living. I made a living.
I made a living. I want all of you to indulge yourself into this. I sent an assignment so that it will be useful for you. Please involve yourself into the assignment. I made a living teaching English. Teaching English?
Ma'am, it should be 2, no, ma'am.
Yes, to migrant laborers.
Ma'am, options 2
Two
is not
option is
given.
not given in.
It's not.
I work. Yes, Arpita Mayu, yes, correct. I work dash. No, Mino, it's wrong. I work. I have not given the option at only. Look there, on top I've given options. From, yes, correct, Swami correct, Murli Swami correct. I work from 9 in,
Ma'am, even from is not there, ma'am, in options. First one.
From is not there, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, the option it has been printed upwards, ma'am.
in the morning. It has printed wrong. Sure. Okay, make it morning. Make it morning. In the morning to 9 at 9. To 9 at night. So I stayed in a small city. I made a living teaching English to migrant laborers. I worked from 9 in the morning to 9 at night. Next one. Babar Ali wakes up every morning
At 7.
7.
at 7. Yes, Rachana, no. At 7, she has given all the answers. And starts his day.
By
By
doing.
doing some.
By doing
Yes, correct. Rachana has given me all the answers. By doing some household chores, then he takes
an auto rickshaw.
An auto rickshaw.
an auto rickshaw first and later walks to.
The school.
School.
Yes. Very good. Yes, Rachna, you very good. All the answers were correct. The man seeing what his friend had done dashed him.
To him.
Done to.
To him. To him. To him. Started to grumble. The animals dash
Ma'am, you
the
said yes.
nearby forest. The animals in the nearby forest heard
The
The
noise.
noise.
the noise and came to see what was
The matter.
The matter.
the matter. Yes. Two in the other. Fourth one. On hearing this,
The
dash elephant.
The elephant.
Yes. Who was one of the high ministers?
Of the jungle.
The
Of
jungle.
the jungle.
In the
Of
jungle.
option ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನ. Of option ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನ.
In the jungle.
Ministers in the jungle. Kingdom replied in dash soothing voice.
In a soothing voice.
In a shooting.
Yes, in a soothing voice, and said, "My lord, there is no disturbance of the peace. Dash the kingdom."
In your kingdom.
Yes, sir.
In your kingdom.
In your kingdom.
Yes, yes. Fifth one. It was dash big city.
A big city.
Yes, Anand,
A big
correct.
city.
A
Yes.
big city.
A big
Here, no, correct. It was a big city in the village of Mountain, some 1,500 miles.
From home.
Yes, sir.
From
Correct. From dash inhabitants.
inhabitants.
The
The
inhabitants
inhabitants.
of which had never been known
For
For the quality.
for the quality of
or the mercy. Fifth one, I have given a bit wrong in a haste. I think I made a mistake. One boy had dash a worn jersey.
A own jersey.
Right? One boy had dash a worn jersey. Worn means torn. One boy had on.
had on.
Boy
Had on.
on a worn jersey and cut off pants. Here I made a mistake. Dash other. It should be the other. I have given the answer by mistake. So underline the. Or write the in the dash. The other, again A is the answer. Underline A. A shortened. I have written the answers only. A shortened army tunic gathered dash loose folds. Gathered
The loose folds.
Gathered from loose folds.
from gathered.
The
Gathered.
In given with why you are simply telling C and top are given options.
Ma'am, the options which are there, it is confusing.
First I given the options and then given the questions. No?
It's looking
Yes, ma'am.
like
When
the
you answer the questions, the options are given.
Quotes. Okay. Despite the faint flush, high dash her cheekbones.
From her cheekbones.
In her cheek.
on her cheek.
Oh, in cheekbones in
Upon.
one day option upon her cheekbone and the dash queer inertness.
And the queer. And
And
the
And the queer inertness of her postures, one could discern at dash glance.
at the glance.
The glance, a glance. Once you look, a glance, at a look, glance at the look. Her resemblance. Her
From
resemblance.
our brother.
Yes, Vinay, correct. Yes, Mindu, correct.
Two.
To her brothers. After enjoying dash, yes.
A delicious meal. A delicious.
Enjoying dash delicious meal.
A delicious.
Excuse me.
Yes, preparation the first one to give me. A delicious meal dash the expense.
This.
Yes, Arpita, correct. Rudresh, correct. Yes. At the expenses dash the right honorable Mr. Elephant.
Of the.
Yes, of the right honorable Mr. Elephant, the members of the commission reached their verdict. Called the man.
Of OFF of.
Now, called the man.
Yes, ma'am. Called.
Called the man and announced a decision. Called off in Bhagavatam. Okay, I'll start with Watchman of the Lake. Or should I do grammar? No, grammar, you come. Any of you, tomorrow you people are coming now. If I was a tree, I've done. For some classes, I started with Watchman of the Lake. But I can't really help it out. I'll restart again. So when we say watchman, we know that the person who guards our property or guards us is called as a watchman. Here we are getting to the lake. It is a honesty, it is a sincerity, it is a dedication with perseverance of a person which shows us his or her qualities. It is none other than R.K. Narayan, a well-known writer in the Kannada, very well known, a scripture, a writer who has possessed so many novels presents before us. This is a drama. A drama is which is played only actually a Kannada drama, but it has been translated because of your purpose. Now, what is the main purpose of this drama? When you are very truthful to your life, when you want to say that I am a very honest man, I am a very sincere man, God puts you under many circumstances to prove your words. If you say that I am going to follow this policy in my life, you can see Harishchandra, King Harishchandra, he was known for his truthfulness. You can see Karan, they are all very great personalities, they have all fought for their ethics. They have never given up, but they had to undergo a lot of pain. They had to undergo a lot of tests. Only you can test diamond and gold. You can't go and test copper. You never go. You go to the jewelry shop, you will say, is this pure? Or will you go and say to a copper shop, is this pure? No, we don't bother for that. Because higher the value, we keep on testing. The same way, when God is putting someone under so much of pressure, he or she is the best actor or the actresses, and God wants him or her to win. If you are going to a bad situation, you should understand that you are alive. If you are going to a bad situation, you should know that you are growing. So this lesson is something like this. We have this man who is from a village, an uneducated man who wants to dedicate his whole life to the king. He wants to dedicate himself to the truth. He wants to dedicate to the command of the goddess which came in his dream and told him that he has been born for some purpose. Now his duty is everything to him. Work is worship for this man. But he had to undergo many pains. He had to undergo a lot of tension. Things don't come to you easily. Anyhow, they never come to you easily. So R.K. Narayan presents this drama to us. We have got characters like the king, the village headman. They are very, very important. These are all. Mara himself. Then we have got Ganga, who is Mara's son. And then Ganga's son is called as son. And then Bhima, who is a worker. And there are some few timid voices. Timid means weak. Very fearful voices we have got in this drama. So a drama which is being played by so many characters, you should understand this drama shows that, what does it show? That sincerity, honesty, and perseverance needs dedication. And it is always a testing time. It is always a testing time. You can't say that you are a great person without undergoing all these things. God puts you under these conditions only. Now let me begin with the lesson. Why are the lakes drying in our country? The major problem is rain. We are, cutting the trees. Deforestation is so much that the rains which were regular in our country has started becoming a scarcity for us. It is predicted that by 2050, we will really struggle for a drop of water also. So let us plan that 2050 should be proven wrong by so many people and start growing trees, preserve water, groundwater, underground water preserving is very important. How is that possible? It's only possible because of rains. When it starts raining, the earth starts sucking water because excessive water will there it starts sucking. And underground water does not, vanish or it does not absorb because it is a closed structure. So here we are going to see why this is so important for you for first UC student. Why this lake is brought before us. What are the importance? How does it want to emphasize in a student's life? So I begin with the drama. You should understand a drama is a stage play where so many characters are there, but I will be playing all the characters. I want all of you to indulge yourself into it. Whenever I speak about the person, you should start imagining me in that person's character only. Okay? The character is me. I am reading everyone's here. Pre-reading activity. Why do you think lakes are drying? Yes, it's only because of the deforestation, what we're doing. What could be done to save them? Grow more trees. That's the only option. And please, go for greenhouse. If you go for greenhouse, I think it will be very useful. Like biogas, we can use, there is the so-called cycle of the nature. If you keep doing the cycle in a correct way, like collecting the rain harvesting water, again storing it, and again you keep on repeating. And then, biogas can be used. There are many things which can be used for saving this pollution. We are polluting this world. Globalization, global warming, everything is destructed because of us. Technology is totally destructing the peace of this country. Again, you can see that there are so many birds which are dying away. You don't find much birds nowadays, isn't it? Sparrows you don't find in Tupur anymore. Why? because of the way the telephone or the mobiles what we are using, the waves, the radio waves, the radio, these are totally killing because the birds are finding it very difficult to exist in this kind of conditions. So we are destructing the nature. Dramatist persona, before that I read about the writer, I'd like to read about R.K. Narayan, one of the famous personalities of this Kannada. R.K. Narayan, October 10th, 1906 to 13th May 2001, was an Indian author whose works of fiction include a series of books about people and their interactions in an imagined town in an Indian called as Malgudi. I think you might have not seen Malgudi Days, but it was my time serial. I was watching it. He is one of the three leading figures of early Indian literature in English, along with Mukhraj, Anand, and Raj Rao. He is credited with bringing Indian literature in English to the rest of the world and regarded as India's greatest English novelist. Narayan rarely wrote plays, and present one is to be the dramatized version of a short play called as The Watchmen. From there, it has been taken. So the names have been changed. There is an clear-cut indication is being given to you. Okay, I shall start. So we have got the persona, we have got the characters who are playing the drama. The village headman, the king, Mara, he is the watchman of the lake. Ganga, his son, Mara's son, Ganga's son, his name is not being given to us. Bhima, a road worker, and others. On the eastern base of Baba Budan Hills, you might have visited this. In Karnataka state, there is an obscure is not so famous, little place now called Sakrepatna. Now presently it is being called Sakrepatna, which at one time, 1,000 or more years ago, was the capital of king called as Rukumangada. The name of the king was Rukumangada. This 1,000 years ago the story is. In the center of this town, there is a shrine. Shrine means temple, which is dedicated not to distant gods. Distant means they are God, deities whom they believe, or great gods, it is not dedicated to them, or heroes, those who get martyred, those who get killed in saving the nation, it is not to them also, but to a rustic. Rustic is a village man who was watchman of the lake called as Ayanakere. His original name was Ayanakere. He was the watchman of the lake. 4 miles from the town. So from the town where the king lived, from there 4 miles this man lived. For the purpose of this little drama, let us call him Mara. So his name is Ayanakere, Manmakushan, but for this drama purpose, the person is called as Mara. It is a very famous and common name in the village side. He is a watchman of the lake. As good as any other name handed down to us by tradition. So please understand, it is a scene. Scene 1. Imagine, please keep imagine, very, very important. A village. The scene is the village. At the foot of the hills. So if this is the foot, this is the hill. This is called as the foot of the hill. Okay? This is a hill. We are speaking about the hill. If this is a hill, there is a foot. A village at the foot of the hill. Road menders at work. So the workers are mending the road. The road which is completely spoiled road. Andre betta pakkadalli aa road repairing ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು workers. The workers are mending the road.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Ma'am, your video is stuck, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm your video is stuck. Your video is tricking, ma'am.
Hear me? The video.
Yes, ma'am.
So here, village headman is encouraging those workers, the road menders. Go on, boys, go on with your work. Hey, you Raksha. Why do you start looking at sky? This is one person, Raksha, and he says, why are you looking at the sky? You there, you wretched dog. So, as a useless dog, wretched means useless. He addresses someone so badly. You wretched dogs, I will push you into the stream. The road, and there is a stream nearby. It's very important, that's why I'm telling you. The ನೀರು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಹರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನದಿ ಹರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಜರಿದ್ರ. If I catch you again, gossiping with your neighbor, keep talking to him, not doing work, I am going to push you into the stream. You draft. In Kannada it is Kula. You draft there. Have you no better business than giggling? Giggling is laughing and talking. Actually, girls giggle, boys goofy. The word like this, but here it is a drama. It is rhythm. It is language. Business, then giggling and talking. The road must be ready before the king arrives. So why is the road getting mended? Because the king is coming to that village. That's why the road is getting repaired. Just think for a moment, fools, how we should all look if the king suddenly came upon us. Came upon means if the road is not ready in time and the king comes to our village, imagine how we will be looking in front of him. The reputation of us in front of the king. Just think, he will be here this time tomorrow. The king is passing this village. The king is passing this village. He will be passing this road. That's why this road is being mended as the king is about to arrive. Go on with your work, brother. He changes his words. Anyway, what makes you all so very happy? So happy. Let me know and share the joke. What happened and let me share the joke. Come here. Come here. Why are you both laughing? Tell me, don't blink. Blink your eye. Moses goes and tells them to speak the truth. While they were laughing, the village headman is getting the road mended. As the following day, the king is about to arrive at that village. He is using an abusive language to the workers. Sometimes he calls them brother, sometimes he calls them draft, sometimes he calls them as Raksha, and sometimes he calls them as wretched dog. Two timid boys. Timid means fearful. Master Karithadananta, they are very fearful. Timid is very weak. Boys here. Master, we were doing our work all right. Doing our work all right. Correctly, we were doing our work. But, they say, what? The village is there. Timid workman. Mara. They are giggling because of Mara. Mara, what about him? He is a lunatic anywhere here. Insane. As a madman. What about him? He is a lunatic anywhere here. Yes, he was behind that rock and peeped at us. He was sitting behind that rock and peeped. He was looking at us. Who? At these workers. When you call, workers have been called by the village headman. When you call, he ran away. And where is he now? Which way did he go? Workman sprang off like a buck and ran up the hill. Here, ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಜಿಂಕೆ ತರ ಎಗರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Mountain he is on this hill he is climbing. all work. Put down your spades and crowbars. They are implementing these. Workers are using those implements to repair the road. Put down your spades and crowbars and run and choke and close round. Stop always out. Catch the thief and bring him in. Leave your work. Put down your implements. Go behind Mara and see that he does not run. Don't give him any room to run from the mountain. You go and catch the thief. He says. Stun him. This is stun him with the blow. Stop him with the blow. Another with the blow if he resists, if he not agree to come. Bring him at once. Go. So stop their work, immediately the work and go and fetch Mara who has gone up the hill. That is those men. The workmen throw down their implements and scatter around. Scatter is spread all around the mountain. They return crying. Crying here is which has been saying that they are very happy. Master, master, what is this? Master, here he is. And they brought him before the village. You worthless dog, I not told you to keep away from here. How many times to stay away from this place? Why are you coming here and disturbing my workers? Why have you come here? Yes, my master. What do you mean by coming here and disturbing my workmen? Why are you disturbing my workmen? They are ending the road because the king is coming. Why are you disturbing them? I am not disturbing them. I am here on my own work. I come for my own work. I am not disturbing your workers. No way I am connected with them. Let them go on with theirs. Let them do their work. I will be doing my work. Headman, don't talk of your work. Madman, I know what work you do. You don't talk about your work. Fool, you are a lunatic. You are a madman. You are an insane. What work do you have? Don't imagine you have any kind of work. You are a madman. You don't have any work. Your only work you have is to disappear. Go away from here and disappear from here. I don't want you to see right in front of my eyes. Mara, why so? What have I done to you? Why are you telling me to go away? Don't ask. I have told you reason 20 times. The king is passing this way and I don't want him to know that our village has such food. The village man tells to Mara to stay away from this place till the king comes and goes back on the way. So the king is coming twice. Now he is coming this way. The following day he is again passing this way. So 2 times the king is coming to that place. Mara, I don't think I am a fool. I don't think so. I am a fool. See the students of it. Now listen. Keep out of your view. Stay away from here. Don't come in front of me. In this place, you don't come. The next 2 days, following 2 days, the king passes this way and back. Otherwise, I will have to lock up in the cellar behind that old building. That is called a cellar, jail. A temple in the jail, there I'll put you up if you don't listen to me. I will sit there and pray. If the God in the temple thinks I have work to do, he will take me out. No problem. I will pray God. If the God thinks that I have work, now he'll take me out and he'll bring me before the king. Headman, now get out of my presence. Get out of in front of my eyes. I don't want to see you. You fellows, why do you stand gaping at him? Gaping at him. Get on with your work. Your work. Once again, the goddess of the river came to me in the dreams and said, the king is coming this way. Tell him about the tank. He will listen. Again, the goddess, lady god, she has come in his dream and she has given message to Mara that he has to convey some message to the goddess that the king will build a tank. Here, the goddess gave the message of the command to Mara to give to the king to build a tank. He will listen. Amen. Don't tell me that again. You and your dream. I feel tempted to kick you. Listen, don't speak about the dream. Don't say anything about your dream. I feel like kicking you whenever I hear about the dream. Not the first time Mara is telling the village women about the dream. What have I said to offend you so much, sir? Being so angry, offend you? Angry. What have I told you to make you angry? Are you jealous that the goddess comes to me rather than to you in the dream? Are you jealous that the goddess does not come in your dream, she comes in my dream? Are you jealous about it? Shall I repeat the very words she uttered? I say what she has told me? Shall I repeat it to you? No. Keep off me. Speak. Like a good fellow, keep to your backyard till the king departs. Away from this place. Don't come in front of the king till the king goes back to his kingdom, to his capital. I will give you a fine gift if you behave yourself. Trying to bribe him. If he behaves, and if he does not come before the king, he is going to give him a fine gift. Another person has already given me the greatest gift any man could give. Shall I say who that person is? What gift you will give? Somebody has given me another best gift than what gift anyone can give to anyone. Oh, who is that great man? My father-in-law. What gift he has given? He has given his daughter to him. So men laugh at this joke. Shouting in anger. Stop laughing, everyone. I will starve you all without work. If I catch you again laughing at this fellow's mad prattle. Stop laughing. I am going to not give you work. You are going to starve if you laugh at this mad person's joke. Shut up, he tells them to be. Come here, Bhima. He calls Bhima. Throw down your crowbar. I have another piece of work to leave his work and then come to this man. Now the aged man calls him. Yes, master, I have come. What is your command? He asks him. Bind this fellow. Bind means cut up. Binding. If you take something and tie both hand, it is called as bind. Bind this fellow hand and foot. We call cut up. And throw him into the cellar. Actually, building behind that old temple. You throw him there, tie his hands and his legs, and keep him there till the day after tomorrow. Do you understand? I should be meeting all of you. Take care of all of you. Bye, dear students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
If you are not understood, you can clarify your doubts tomorrow. Okay? Shall I leave? Okay, I think that's it. Okay, dear. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.